The troops took over the Imam Dheri Markaz on Thursday morning without much resistance, and now they are clearing the area of landmines. The army has taken positions in Imam Dheri village and the madrasa run by Maulana Fazlullah. They have also launched a house-to-house search in the area. The in charge of the operation, Rai Haq, General Officer Commanding Major General Nasser Janjua, says the fate of Imam Dheri Markaz and the seminary will be decided by the locals and the government. General Nasser says Maulana Fazlullah and his loyalists are playing in the hands of foreign elements and they are now on the run.
There are foreigners, definitely foreigners. There are. Without the support, it is not possible. But as you know, one should not name the countries because we actually have very good relationship with them. So it is their rogue element which has come here. So when I name the nationality, it is actually not good. But there are foreign elements.
Leadership is foreign.
Leadership is also foreign. Who is exploiting Mullah Fazlullah and his accomplices?
The troops also claimed to have seized a huge arms cache and some bottles of whiskey from the militants. Since the army took command of the SWAT operation, the security forces have also captured the hilltops of strategic importance from the militants' control.
I am standing at Najia Top, which was once the stronghold of the militants. The security forces are also controlling some other strategic heights like Barium Top, Amluk Banda and Usmani Sar. We have talked to the local commanders here and they are saying that strategically Najia Top is an important hilltop and from there they can control Kuza Banda, Bara Banda, Kanju area and Imam Dheri area, which were the stronghold of the militants.
You might not realize its importance as long as army is holding, but its real importance is what would happen if it is held by the militants.
Khwaja Khela and Mata police stations have also been secured by the security forces and handed over to the police. The police force is being airlifted to these police stations in helicopters from the army base camp in Circuit House, Gulkada in Saidu Sharif. New military checkposts have also been set up at Ningolei in Kabul Tehsil, Barium Bridge, Pir Kale, near Kuza and Barabanda areas and Khwaja Khela. The military authorities claim they have driven out the militants from their strongholds and will try to clear the valley as soon as possible. Zahir Shirazi, Dawn News, Sawat.